You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Julie E. This is Art by Julie E. Today we're working on a 12 by 24 edge canvas. It's a low profile, 11 by 16 deep. The colors we're using today, it's a strange palette. This is still a little bit wet and tacky. This is the leftover scrape ups from the last Nate Bright Art Lab pour that I did. It was like a failed, I think it was a failed cloud pour, but it had a beautiful palette with all these different fall colors, and that is the blue gray that I got out of it. You can see right there where it's all dry, what it dries to, and I was shocked because it had oranges, it had reds, it had a blue, and yeah, and I got this. So yeah, you never know sometimes what you're gonna get when you scrape up all that runoff from around your canvas. And then I also have this blue, which is more runoff from other paintings that were mostly blue, and just dumped them all together. So this one was interesting because when I opened it, it had that weird clear kind of gelatinous kind of stuff floating on top, kind of like when you open a brand new jar of like Deco Art Americana or something. So I'm wondering if I might get some cool reactions out of it. I'm curious. This is a combination of Liquitex Basics in gold, and I put my jar away already. It's the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. So it's a combo of those two. And let's see, this one is, and I'm leaking. Uh-oh, we better hurry up and paint. This one is Space Gray by Arteza. And this one is Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. So those are our colors. I'm gonna bring you down onto the canvas if you're not already down here already, and we'll turn on some music, and we're just gonna blow out. We're just gonna have some fun blowing out. We're not doing a Dutch pour or anything like that. We're just gonna kind of see where the wind blows us. Okay? All right. So I hope you enjoy.
without you, I just fall apart. And I don't know what I'm heading into, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, alive. You got no limits, I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue. 'Cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, alive, I used to be so low, now I can't be alone. I used to be so, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, I feel alive with you. Alive.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody. Goodbye. The truth is I didn't even find your company that good. My lessons learned. Maybe I don't have to be around these people anymore. This party sucks, I'm out of luck. I don't know why I'm being here. They talk about some silly stuff, they even don't know if it's real. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here.
Yeah, like that. Sploosh. Kind of sploosh. Yeah, I like it. We're good. Ooh, I like what's happening there.
Dancing with somebody. I wanna be somebody. Maybe if I stay.
I I'm leaving it right there like that. We're good.
How gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness. And all with, mostly with the runoff from other paintings. So it definitely pays for the environment and for your pocketbook to scrape off all that runoff and drips and put them in a container and save them and use them again. Because, yeah, those colors, they're like a custom color that you're not going to find anywhere else. Well, it's going to be difficult, but yeah, just beautiful. While I give you some close-ups and stuff, I want to remind you that Dave's DRH Acrylic-Creations and Just Janice were right before me. Their video links are in my description. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. They help us so much, and they're free for you. And yeah, I'm loving this. I am just really surprised there wasn't a little bit more reaction considering all the different mediums and paints that were involved. But otherwise, yeah, I am super digging it. So until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it.